Hi guys, I'm Kim and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me here today. If you cannot tell by the title of this video, this is my nursery tour for baby boy. So today is the 27th of June 2023 and I'm leaving this till last minute because I'm going in for a scheduled C-section tomorrow, and I thought I need to get this video filmed, so it is up and ready to go, and you guys can have a little sneak of baby boy's nursery, which, spoiler alert, may or may not be dinosaur themed. I am currently 38 weeks and 4 days pregnant right now. Definitely got my baby bump going on, but the eviction notice has been scheduled. He will be coming out tomorrow and I cannot wait to meet him. I'm very excited and nervous. Yes, it's first baby, all very overwhelming, but very excited. But what I'm even more excited about right now is showing you his nursery. I mean, it's far from perfect and I know he's probably not going to be in there to start with, but yeah, it's just so cute and I can't wait to share it with you and show you his little space. So without further ado, let's jump into it and have a little look. Okay, so this is baby boy's nursery. So I do have a wide angled lens on to try and fit it all in, so if it seems a little bit stretched off, that's why, so apologies in advance. I'm just gonna kind of walk you around the room. So it is dinosaur themed. So when you first walk in, I have this print here from Adair's. I also have another Adair's print over there. Actually, a lot of this stuff is Adair's. I will talk you through it as we go. I'm just going to apologize in advance right now for being extremely out of breath. Yeah, 38 weeks and 4 days pregnant. The struggle is real. But I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the room. So over this side, we have his chest of drawers, change table, shelf, some little toys, a little corner for feeding, his little bassinet, some artwork, and then I've got his pram here, which will not be in here permanently, and then his wardrobe over there. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through the room and show you how I've got things organized and set up. So when we first come in on the left, in his wardrobe, we have some of his clothes here. So I've got a lot of it already packed away, but these are kind of more specialty kind of clothes. And I do have some of these little dividers for sizes. Just got them off of Etsy. So some cute little overalls and bits and pieces like that. Like, how adorable are these? Oh my gosh, cannot wait to see him in some of these little outfits. Yes, and then up the top I have some storage baskets. I have his nest, a spare blanket, and then just an empty box down there. And then in the other cupboard, so this one isn't as neat and tidy, but I've got some more storage boxes up there, some spare nappies, a few toys, a sterilizer, a bugaboo stand, and just some kind of postpartum-y kind of bits and pieces for me. I have some burp cloths and just a few other necessity bits and pieces in here, not super pretty or well organized. And then I have my feeding breast pump kind of drawer here, and then the very bottom drawer currently is empty. So we ended up going with the Bugaboo Fox 3 pram. You will never believe it, but after we bought it, they came up with the Fox 5. It's always the way. You can never stay up to date with anything. But yes, so we went for the Fox 3. Yeah, and we obviously just have the bassinet set up to start with, and we have a I think it's the Nuna Turtle car capsule that is compatible with this pram. Then over here I have the Cocoon Lolly bassinet that will later convert into the larger bassinet, which will then turn into a toddler bed, and then it will turn into tables and chairs. So I feel like the idea of having like that real practical kind of sense where it has multi-purposes just sat really well with me. And it's on wheels, it wheels around, it fits through a standard door frame. But yes, we also do have the Snoo bassinet in our master room, which is where he will do hopefully his nighttime sleeps, and we will use the bassinet for naps. And then I have this gorgeous print up here from Adairs. I have this cute little plant from IKEA. We have an Oricom Skyview baby monitor camera over here. I put a lamp in that back corner, and then I do have a El Tuto Chelsea rocking chair, but I decided to leave that in the living room because that's where the TV is. And I wanted to be able to keep myself entertained while hopefully breastfeeding. But I do have these really cute cushions also from Adairs. So this little raw one and this cute Triceratops one. Then over here I have a couple of the Raffies. I was kindly gifted one of those for my baby shower, and also purchased one myself, and these have got like the white noise and heartbeat sounds, and they're meant to be like really, really good for bubs. I have a breastfeeding pillow down here from Adairs. I went to Target the other day and saw these absolutely adorable little dinosaur toys, which I couldn't help myself. I had to get them. I have a hand-drawn Winnie the Pooh print here. And I got christened when I was 10 years old, and my godmother made me this gorgeous Lord's Prayer framed print that she did herself in calligraphy, and I thought that was a nice thing to have in little man's room. I also have this Bunnings stool here. I thought that could be my little side table that I could keep like my water, snacks, pump, essentials, whatever I need on it when I'm in this room. Over in this corner I have another Adairs item. So this is a little laundry basket. I have this Kmart shelf which has some of his original style Winnie the Pooh toys, some books, a little nappy caddy with some accessories. I'm not very well organized here, but just some medical bits and pieces that might be needed for baby, some dummies, some bits of everything, like a nasal aspirator. It's kind of just like my random bits tub for the moment until I work out what to do with it all. I have his first lot of Love Every stuff that I pre-ordered for him. So just like for his development-y kind of stuff. I have the baby monitor screen, and then I have a couple of storage tubs full of soft toys. And then I have the IKEA Malm 6-drawer set for all of his other clothes and bits and pieces. So a couple of the drawers are like super well organized. The others aren't as pretty, but bear with me, I'll show you what I have in them. Before I do that though, I do have a Glow Dreaming sound machine and humidifier diffuser. I have some of the Alive bath baby products, this other really cute Adair's dinosaur, and I also got the Bumbo change pad, and I got some of those kind of fleecy linings to go in these so he's not too cold. And then I just got the Tommy Tippy diaper pail. So starting over here, the top left hand drawer has some onesies and clothes and bits and pieces in there. So these are 4 zeros, 3 zeros and more 3 zeros. He is predicted to be a big baby, hence why I'm having him a bit earlier, but we'll see whether or not he actually fits any of his 4 zeros. The next drawer down has some more clothes. So we've got some 4 zero pants and some 3 zero pants. We've got some pajamas, some little hats and bibs in this one. And then we've got some booties and beanies over here. And the very bottom drawer, oh, it's a bit cramped in here. I've got some swaddles, some terry cloths, a baby fan and bits and pieces like that. And then over this side, I'm using this one as his kind of like nappy drawer. So we've got nappies over here. We've got some like little essential bits and pieces here, along with some wipes. I wasn't really sure what kind of wipes we were going to use, so I got a bit of everything to see what worked for him. Then in here, it's kind of like a bit of a messy drawer, to be honest. I've got some next size up nappies, some face washes, instruction manuals for all of the baby stuff, some nappy bags and some disposable change pads and some more wipes. Right, and then in the very bottom drawer, oh, that's not very well packed, but I've got some spare blankets and also the spare bags for the diaper pail. I also got this super cute rug from Adair's with, you guessed it, more dinosaur prints. But yeah, so that's kind of his nursery in a nutshell. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but I just wanted to kind of show you what I have, how we've set it up. Yeah, would love to hear your thoughts. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I also do have this area set up in our living room for him. Little playpen here that's going to keep the little pups out, and it's got his Love Every play mat, and then another mat that he got for baby shower from a really lovely friend of mine. And this is my El Tuto Chelsea rocking chair. So yeah, super comfy. Thought it was good to leave it out here. Over in this corner, here's Rocker. And yeah, like I said, in our master, we have his Snoo bassinet all set up as well. Okay, so that was baby boy's nursery. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Originally, I was going to go with the whole Winnie the Pooh theme because I was convinced that we were having a little girl. And then when we found out we're having a little boy, like, I've always been obsessed with dinosaurs and Jurassic Park and Jurassic World and that sort of stuff. And I was like, I totally know that girls can love dinosaurs too, but it just felt like an excuse for me to like indulge in my inner child. So yeah, that kind of room is a reflection of like my dream nursery if I was a little boy. I just want to apologize for the fact that I've been huffing and puffing and out of breath for that whole video. The struggle is real. Like, yeah, I have a whole newfound respect for pregnant women and what they go through, and the reduced lung capacity it's a real thing. But yeah, anyway, thank you for sticking around to the end. It means the world to me. I hope that you enjoyed the nursery tour. I know that I have really enjoyed the last 6 months setting it up and getting it ready. And yeah, leave a comment down below if you are an expectant parent, or if you already have kids, or what kind of theme that you did for your kids' nursery. Yeah, feel free to share. I love to hear these sorts of things. And stay tuned for another video coming soon, which will hopefully be like his birth story announcement, where I will share all of the hopefully amazing and wonderful details with you of his birth. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that little bell, and that way you'll get notified of my videos in the future. Anyway, until next time, bye guys.